How's it going, guys? We are back. We are clapping.
We're clapping.
All right, so we've been here doing these videos now, probably, I don't know. We are back with the cocktail portion. One of my favorite cocktails, one of Shea's least favorite cocktails.
Yeah, that's true.
One of them. It's not the worst.
It's not the worst, but it's not the best.
It's my favorite because it'll get you there pretty quick. It is called the Irish Card Bomb. It has nothing to do with any of those things, I don't think. You start off with a shot of Jameson in the bottom of the cup. So we are going to...
I like that thing.
It's not even a real name. This
is you just doing all this.
I'd say, we say roughly 4 ounces of Guinness. I prefer Guinness.
What else would you put in it?
Battery acid? I don't know, whatever you want. People are wild, Shea.
That's accurate.
People are wild.
That's what this tastes like.
This isn't my fault.
Hey, other people are drinking weird things.
You're right.
Alright, and so the last thing you do is you get a nice bottle of Bailey's. You get 1 shot of Bailey's per bottle. Good.
It's so pretty.
It is very pretty. And sponsored by Jaeger.
Yes.
Also, doing a little more than an ounce because I like going up to J. Alright, so everyone grab their cups.
This is for you.
Come on.
Come on.
Grab your cup.
Get in there.
And what we're going to do, we're going to have our cups. You can do it standing up or sitting down. It's probably going to get all over your face.
Yep.
Come on, you can do it.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Good luck.
Gives you a nice mustache.
Woo, boy!
When you want a mustache. Or when you don't want a mustache. How good is it? What do you think? Flavor notes.
Flavor notes.
Come on.
I don't
Hints
typically drink whiskey.
Hints of what?
It was good. Hints of, we've got my vomit.
Try it.
Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, love you, bye.
You can do this any day of the week. It doesn't matter. You can do it. I'm going to do another one off camera. So,